It seems like everyone is gunning for the Microsoft Surface these days, but HP seems to be really onto something with their Envy X2. It's going to be available for $800, and we'll give you a quick tour. What you're looking at right here is a Full HD 12-inch display, very bright and colorful, but the star of the show is around the back. It has a magnetic kickstand that you reveal just by clicking down on this button. HP says that they tested it a bunch of times, so it should definitely stand up. And then you attach it to the keyboard accessory just like this. And unlike the Surface, the keyboard is included, which we really like. The pen is optional at about $50. If you're looking at the keyboard itself, one thing that we like is that it has 1.5 millimeters of travel. This is not a keyboard cover-like keyboard, it's an actual keyboard. Bang & Olufsen audio right along the top here, a very wide touchpad, and we'll give you a tour of the slate itself. On the inside, we're looking at a Core M processor, at Core M3, 5, or 7, depending on how much you're willing to pay. Pretty slim design, aluminum, so it's very sturdy. Additional B&O speakers over here. This is a USB-C port. There's one around the other side as well. Volume controls and your headphone jack. This is the magnetic connector for the keyboard. And on this side, you have the B&O logo, another USB-C port, speaker, and a SIM card slot. This will be able to connect to Verizon's network. And have something here for the micro SD card slot, likely, and then the power button up top. When you talk about versatility, one of the complaints that we have about 2-in-1s is that they're just not that easy to use as a laptop. We have tested this out in a lab, and it actually seems pretty comfortable so far. We're going to have to see how well it holds up in our everyday testing. We're looking at about 10 hours battery life for this one. Overall, we're impressed with the design as well as how easy it is to go from laptop to tablet and back again. But stay tuned for a full review. This is Mark